Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Gandhi and today we are going to talk about articles. So as we all know in English grammar, articles are very important part of your grammar, right? So now as we all know that articles are a, an and the, and we can categorize a and the into two different kinds, which is indefinite articles and definite articles. An are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Now, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives are used to modify nouns. So, what does article do? It modifies the noun. For example, a, an, and the are called articles. A, n are called indefinite articles, and the is called definite article. So, the is used to refer specific or a particular noun. So, when you want to address something specific, then you utilize the. And when you want to modify non-specific or non-particular noun, then you can utilize a or n. So the is used for specific or particular noun, and a and n is used to modify non-specific or non-particular noun. So here you can see we use a, n or the before nouns that we want to introduce, like a person, a place, a thing. Name, place, animal or things are known as nouns, right? So an object is a noun, a place is a noun, a person if you are talking about that is also a noun. So a and the are utilized before nouns. So it can be name, place, animal or thing. So here you can see a is utilized for a non-particular noun or a non-specific thing, right? A boy, a bird. So it is not a specific bird. I'm not talking about a pigeon, right? So if I want to talk about a particular bird, then I'll not utilize a before it, right? A boy, a bird, a school, a book, a dog. But I have utilized a before consonant sounds. So as we know, there are consonant sounds in English and vowel sounds in English. So consonant sounds are what? Uh, except except A, E, I, O, U, everything in English language is a consonant sound. So when A, E, I, O, U are there, that is vowel, and the other B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are consonant sounds. So we use A also before a vowel letter. Suppose A, E, I, O, U there are there. But the sound is not of a vowel sound, then we can utilize A before it. We don't have to utilize N before it. I'll give you examples so that it will be clear for you how articles are utilized. So some words starts with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So here you can see the example. A university. So sound is a letter given here is U. University spelling starts with U. It's a vowel, right? But when you speak university, the sound you make is your sound. So that is a consonant sound. So a is utilized before a consonant sound. Even if the word is starting from a vowel letter, right? A uniform, a 1 rupee, right? A 1 rupee. So here the V sound is produced. A uniform, again your sound is produced, not a vowel sound is produced. Right? So before a consonant sound, you always utilize a, even if the letter which is starting is a vowel letter. Right? So you have to see the sound, you don't have to see the spelling, right? We use a before words that begin with a consonant. A girl, a clock, a lamp, right? Here sound also is a consonant sound. Now N is utilized where? So before a word begin with a vowel, an idiot, an apple. Here the word is beginning with a vowel letter and also a vowel sound. So here the sound is also E. E is a vowel sound and is a vowel sound, right? So that's why you utilize N before it. So don't look at the spelling, look at the sound and then decide you can what you have to put, A or N. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded, an honor, an R, an honest. So here a sound is produced, honor, an R, a sound, honest, a sound. So that's why N is utilized, right? Rather than utilizing A. So We use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. An orange, an umbrella, an I. So all the sounds are vowel sounds, right? The is utilized where for a particular thing, the sun, the sky, the moon, right? Before the name of mountains, rivers, and desert, something when it is particular, when you are addressing something particular, then you utilize the Gangas, the Sahara, the Pacific, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, right? When you are talking about something specific, utilize the. In general, if you are talking about, utilize A or N, right? Before the superlative degree, the best, the tallest, right? Before an adjective to denote a whole class, the old, the rich, the poor. So when we are talking about the whole community, right? The old, the rich, the poor. Before musical instrument, example, the flute, the violin, right? So talking about particular thing, utilize the. That's why it is known as definite article. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. Sky is only one. The sky, the world, the North Pole, the South Pole. There is only one North Pole, one South Pole, one world, and one sky, right? So where you need to omit articles, right? Even if there are nouns, but sometimes you need to omit articles, you don't put the or n before it. So name of materials like gold, silver, diamond, you utilize the or n, are not utilized. The father, the uncle, the sister, you can't speak like that. So the is omitted there, even if they are nouns, right? Relations, you omit the. Material, you omit the or an, any kind of article. Even proper noun, you omit articles. Lotus, Chennai, Priya. Before abstract nouns like honesty, wisdom, truth. Before language, Tamil, Hindi, English, the Hindi, the Tamil. Even if they are one of a kind, but we don't utilize the or an before it. Before certain phrases like at noon, by train, on foot, right? When we say I'm going by train, so by the train we can't utilize. At the noon we can't utilize. At a noon, by a train, right? On foot, you can't utilize any kind of articles before it when there is a phrase, right? So that's how articles are there, and we'll do the exercise of articles, right? So that it will be more clear to you.